everyone, and especially thanks for the opportunity you give me to give my journey about my stay at Marek Hospital. My name is Dr Anand Dr Rajeev from Cameroon. I am with my wife and my son. We came here to India for the health problem of our son Matisse, who is there, Evan Matisse. Indeed, he was born with a defect. I was diagnosed with a hole in the heart. That's the reason why we were advised by our sister who came here for the same problem and have a good result to join India so that you can have better result. Once we reach here, we meet with Dr. Rajeev, who advised us to do an echocardiogram. And after that echocardiogram, you see that the whole diagnosis in Cameroon was not too big and suggested that there is no surgery we can do. There's no surgery we can do, no problem require any operation, and that had no problem with the normal growth of the baby. This news not only enjoys us because we were having trouble coping with our child operation, even though he had decided to do it. We have decided to do it, and in addition, this level of honesty had such an impact on us because others knowing that we came for this will have opened our child for money. Thank you for Dr. Rajeev, who is a kindful doctor and a honest man. However, we meet other doctor for some respiratory problem, notably Dr. Anand Dr. who after an X-ray diagnosed a growth in the child, preventing him from breathing normally. And with our agreement plan and operation, which went very well, and in less than 48 hours, the child had regained all his form. We also took the opportunity to do our own checkup, Madam and I, and following the result of Dr. Nicha, according to the case of Madam, she scheduled a surgery and a biopsy, which fortunately not revealed nothing dangerous. On behalf of my little family here, I would like to send thanks to the entire team of International, Mr. Nitin, Mr. Sapna, Mrs. Sapna, Mrs. Neha, and Antu, a very handsome boy who every morning makes sure that I take my tea or my cup of tea. I would like to take a big bow to Mr. Owen, who every day is following me in the corridor of this hospital, doctor after doctor. My thanks are to go to the magnificent team of medicals, one after another, and more particular to Dr. Rajeev, who is the one to receive us here in Marengo Hospital. Dr. Manisha, who was the one who did the X-ray for the baby, the echography for the baby, and Dr. Nisha, who did the surgery to my wife, and don't forget Dr. Anand Dr. who did the surgery to the son according to his breathing problem he had. Many people I would like to be as a prescriptor why come back to Cameroon, because this is a wonderful hospital. I can assure you that while going back, I will not spend my time to tell about the quality service of this hospital to all people in my neighboring who are suffering, so to advise them to, if they can reach to India and go direct to Marigold, because people there are very wonderful. Since we were there, we arrived at airport. Every morning I have a car who came to the guest house to took me and bring me back every day. And when we were we were in care. The personnel was very kindful, the room very good, and they take more care of us. The chief of feeding, he too, every time he was very kindful and make sure that everything we eat is very, very good. I will leave India in 13 with a great idea, with a entire satisfaction of this hospital, and thank God to continue save all the doctors, save all the collaborators, and make growth Maringo Hospital. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Anand Gupta, Senior Consultant in HOD Department of ENT, Maringo Asia Hospital. I want to express about the very small girl came all the way from Africa to our hospital at Faridabad with a difficulty in breathing, snoring, and insomnolence, not able to sleep properly at night, and difficulty in swallowing. She was not able to sleep properly. She was not able to swallow the food. The patient came here, routine investigation was done, and it was diagnosed as a grade 4 adenoid hypertrophy along with tonsillar hypertrophy. I did the complete excision of the adenoid with the help of a cobbler, endoscopic guided cobbler assisted surgeries, and the tonsil was removed, and the patient was recovered very well after surgeries. Patient sleep very good after surgery, and she has able to take all kind of solid and liquid food. And the post surgery, the patient went to her native country, and the parents reported a very good sleep and normal feeding habits. Thank you.